Experiencing problems with your Rogers wireless network? Let's tackle the most common culprits: coverage and SIM card issues. First, check your coverage. Use the My Rogers app or website for real-time data on signal strength. Low signal bars, 1 to 2, indicate poor coverage due to distance from cell towers, weather interference, or network congestion. If coverage is weak, try moving to a different location, preferably outdoors, to improve signal reception. Next, address SIM card problems, often indicated by a no service message. Power off your device, then carefully remove and reinsert the SIM card, ensuring it's correctly oriented with the notch. If issues persist, use the IMEI checker on Rogers' website to verify your SIM's integrity, as manufacturing defects or damage can occur. Visit a Rogers store for a SIM replacement if needed. If coverage and SIM checks don't resolve your Rogers wireless issues, consider a device reset as a last resort. Start with a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to clear temporary glitches. If problems continue, proceed with caution to a factory reset. Access this option via Settings, General, Reset, but remember this will erase all data. Ensure you have a recent backup before proceeding. The My Rogers app now integrates AI diagnostics, automating troubleshooting steps, and even predicting issues based on your location and device model. However, be aware that over-reliance on resets can pose cybersecurity risks, so follow Rogers' recommended protocols carefully, including strong password hygiene. Rogers' goal is for 99.9% uptime through proactive diagnostics and AI-driven solutions.